Concept 2, finding the coordinate of a missing vertex. Alright, so sometimes we are going to be given a piece of a figure, alright, and possibly some extra information. So here I've got a line segment from B to C, okay, and I'm told that triangle ABC has a right angle at B and has a side of 4 units for side AB. Okay? And then I'm asked to find 2 possible coordinates for point A. All right. So the first step you want to take is to find the extra information you're given. Okay, so I'm told this is a triangle. That's pretty straightforward. Just means I'm missing 1 point. I'm told it's a right angle here at B. Okay, and that tells me that if this is going to form a right angle, either my point, my A, is going to be directly above or directly below point B. Okay, that's where it's got to be to form a right angle. Okay, and then I'm told that that side is 4 units long, so it's either going to be 1, 2, 3, 4 units above, or 1, 2, 3, 4 units below. Okay, and I can draw my triangle out if I want. So it could be either of those 2 points. So it could be either -3, -2, or -3, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay, and we can see that B here is at -3, 2. So it's either going to be 4 above that or 4 below that. Okay. Excuse me. Let's look at our second one. All right. So now we have 3 points that are given to us. And it looks like I forgot to connect those dots ahead of time, but that's okay. So we've got E, D, and G here. Okay, and we're looking at a parallelogram. So our point we're missing, point F, is going to have to form 2 sets of parallel sides. Okay, and it says that the other information we get is that side DE and side FG are parallel. So point F has to be either directly above or directly below point G. Oh, that's why I didn't fill those in, because they might not be filled in. Okay? I don't want to jump to conclusions. All right, because if I'm going off just this information, I could put a point, let's see, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I could put a point up here, or I could put a point down here. And if I filled it in with a black line, apparently, you could see that, yeah, this actually does form a parallelogram. Okay? The problem comes in our label, right? I've been told that this is a triangle DEFG, or sorry, a parallelogram DEFG. So if I put my point F down here, I don't have a parallelogram DEFG. I have DEGF. So this is going to be incorrect. Okay? It's only incorrect because of the labeling, though. So if I go back, I can look at this point and say, okay, now I have my point. It is has 2 parallel sides, so it's going to be a parallelogram. Right? There's a set of parallel sides, and here's a set of parallel sides. And when I go around it, I can see that it is a parallelogram DEFG. Okay, so this would satisfy it. Right? Sometimes you'll have situations where you have 2 or more possible locations for that third coordinate. Sometimes there will just be one, okay? But your job is to use the information given to you to figure out where that point is going to be.